Jenny Spitzer.
I live in the city of Tucumán. I teach English. I can speak Spanish fluently and German a little bit. I love it here. Saturday night is dancing night, and I go dancing with friends. A lot of my friends can play the guitar really well. I can't play a musical instrument, but I can dance very well. I love the music. On Sundays, I often go riding here. I can ride quite well now. Or sometimes I watch friends playing golf. I can't play golf, but I like watching it. Sunday is also the day for asado, or barbecues. We always cook beef. I can't cook at all, but I want to learn. It's a great life here. Everyone is really friendly.
What do you do on the internet? 1. Charlotte, age 14.
I use the internet a lot. Every day, I think. It helps me with my homework. I Google for information or I use Wikipedia. It helps me with everything. History, geography, science, English, everything. Yesterday, I got a lot of information about Jane Austen.
2. Lauren, age 20.
I go on Facebook a lot, sometimes 3 or 4 times a day. It's a great way to hear all your friends' news and see all their photographs. Yesterday, I posted all the photos from my party last weekend. You can see them if you want.
3. Santiago, age 23.
I play the guitar and I can find lots of songs on the internet. Yesterday, I got the words and music for Can't Buy Me Love, by the Beatles. I can play it now. I use the internet mostly in the evenings, when I have time.
4. Alan Crum, age 47.
Well, my surname, my family name is Crum, and I want to write about my family, so I use the internet to find out about my family's history. There are special websites for this. Also, I can chat to people with the same name from all over the world, Canada, Germany, Argentina. It's really interesting. I usually use it on Sundays because I have more time then.
5. Max, age 10.
I play games a lot, and I go on websites for my favourite pop groups and football players. I want to be on the computer all the time, but my mum says I can't. She says I can only use it after school for an hour, and then I stop.
6. Edna, age 71.
I go shopping on the internet. Every Friday, I go to my son's house and I use his computer. It's fantastic. The supermarket brings all my shopping to my home. I want a computer now. I want to send emails to my friends. Most of my friends have computers.